Special Tribunal scraps R257 million PPE contract amid corruption concerns by Satori News. In a landmark ruling that underscores the ongoing fight against corruption within South Africa, the Special Tribunal has struck down a R257 million contract for the provision of personal protective equipment (PPE) initially awarded to Nkani Projects and Supply by the Gauteng Department of Health (GDOH). This decision comes as a significant win for the Special Investigating Unit (SIU), which has been relentlessly pursuing irregularities in the procurement of PPE during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. The contract in question raised eyebrows soon after it was granted, as it skirted the usual stringent practices mandated by the Public Finance Management Act, PFMA. According to the SIU, Nkani Projects and Supply made an unsolicited proposal to the GDOH, bypassing the essential competitive bidding process. The lack of a deviation request from standard procedures, coupled with the absence of adherence to the procurement prescripts, set into motion the investigations that led to this seismic outcome. In its pursuit of justice and financial accountability, the SIU moved to bring this case before the Special Tribunal, contesting the legitimacy of the PPE deal. The tribunal's judgment not only affirms the contract's lack of validity, but also demands consequential actions from Nkani Projects and Supply. Within 30 days of the ruling, the company must produce audited statements delineating income and expenses associated with the PPE provided, as well as expert-backed reports corroborating those figures. In addition to these disclosures, Nkani has been ordered to cover the SIU's legal costs, extending to the fees for 2 counsels where engaged. This direction is expected to terminate a concurrent High Court case where Nkani was seeking payment from GDOH of approximately R89 million, a sum that includes both the cost for goods delivered but unpaid for, and an amount for goods the department has refused to take delivery of. The tribunal's decision effectively prevents Nkani from seeking any further monetary compensation related to the invalidated contract. The SIU's success in overturning the PPE contract is a bold move in confronting the shadow of corruption that has loomed over pandemic-era procurement processes. It sends a powerful message about the rule of law and the imperative of transparency in times of crisis, where swift and large-scale mobilization of resources can create openings for misconduct. Beyond safeguarding public funds, the tribunal's judgment represents a commitment to holding to account those who might seek benefit from unethical conduct, especially during emergencies like the COVID-19 pandemic. The SIU has positioned itself as a vigilant watchdog, dedicated to rooting out corruption and defending the integrity of governance systems in South Africa. Thank you for choosing Satori News.